Okay, so today I'm going to go ahead and replace a wall switch. I'm going to demonstrate how to put it on, doing it the right way and safe. You want to find your electrical power breaker inside your house and shut off this switch for safety. Okay, let's get started. Now unscrew the light switch cover. I'm going to go ahead and take this old power switch off. And I have an electrical tester here that's going to tell me if there's any power to the switch. As you can see, it's not making any noise. Okay, I've got some needle-nose pliers and I'm going to go ahead and cut the wiring on it. Give it a new lead. Okay, I'm ready for the switch. This is the switch I'm going to install. Take a look at that. It's got these little screws here that you put this behind it and then tighten it. I'm going to keep it in the on position. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the power, test it before I install it. Power's off. Okay, I turn on the power. I'm going to go ahead and test it. As you can hear that noise, we got power to it. And I'm going to go ahead and switch it on and check out the lights. Well, I just confirmed that the lights outside work, so it's correct. I'm going to go ahead and shut off the power, install this, put the plate on, and I should be done. Okay, power's off. I'll go ahead and install it. Okay, I've got this on here. It looks straight to me, so I'm going to go ahead and install the cover plate. This is the brand new cover plate I'm going to install. Comes with its own 2 screws. And that's it. Installed. Thanks for watching, and hope you find this video helpful.